All right, so today is what the fuck is today? Today's Wednesday, July 8th. It's currently 10:59 a.m., right? Just loading up the charts. I'm going to take you guys through a live trade, live analysis, and we're going to see exactly what my brain process is when I'm looking for a trade. So, I'm looking at gold and I'm also looking at, could I look at MNQ? I guess we can for shits and giggles, but let's look at gold first, right? Because that's what I want to trade right now. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we are in a bearish trend. We are down. We are trending to the bottom. We are making a series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and we just made another low. It looks like we're about to make another lower high at this level right here. But I am not a market maker. I cannot predict that. I can only adapt to what the market is giving me. So seeing that we are in a bearish trend on the 4-hour time frame, let's go on the 1-hour time frame and see what we're doing. Oh, look at that clean downtrend. This downtrend is so fucking clean, right? As you can see. Now, what I would do in this situation, I'm marking out all the swing highs and the swing lows. As you can see, I don't use the wicks. I use the candle bodies itself. And this 1-hour candle, this 10 o'clock candle, closed bearish beneath these lows. The 11 o'clock candle just opened up bearish, which is a great sign. What am I trying to do? Now that I know that we are bearish on all the higher time frames, I'm looking for anything to go bearish right now. And I think I just missed my entry. What I would do, right? If there's no fair value gap, if there's nothing, which there is a fair value gap right here, honestly speaking, but I would take a Fibonacci, and I know that this is crazy. Fibonacci, this is crazy, but I'm looking for anything to go bearish right now. All right. So what are we looking at? We have the Fibonacci sequence, and honestly speaking, guys, right? Honestly speaking, I know that, first of all, we have, see, this is the thing about trading, right? It's the thing about trading, because this is why you don't want to learn too much things, because this can be, if you're an ICT warrior, this could be a liquidity sweep, right? Soon to happen. Or we could sweep these 4-hour lows and then go higher. But here's the thing. I'm a person that likes to trade with the trend. So my liquidity sweeps are supposed to be utilized with the overall trend. So if we're bearish, I'm looking for highs to get swept in order to go lower, right? But some people would look for lows to get swept to go higher, but that's like trying to predict the reversal, which is what we're not trying to do. We want to be on the same side as the market. So what am I looking for to go bearish? I'm looking for any sign to go bearish, and I think I should have entered just now. So what I'm gonna do, right? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna enter, you know, I'm gonna actually wait, right? I'm gonna actually wait until this low is formed, and then we're gonna enter above the 50% mark of the Fibonacci, putting our stop loss up above here. We're gonna see what happens, because we're bearish on the 4-hour time frame. We're bearish on the 1-hour time frame. Ultimately, my take profit can be these 4-hour lows right here. These 4-hour lows right here. All right. So I'm gonna wait and see when this low gets established. Right? If it gets established, if we can get a retracement above the 50% mark. I'm being as patient as possible, guys. But yes, one more time for the rundown. Bearish on the 4-hour, clean as day. Bearish on the 1-hour, clean as fucking day, right? And yeah, so I'm gonna pause the video here, and I'm gonna wait and see what happens. Let me just look at NQ for MNQ for shits and giggles. MNQ is actually bearish as well too. MNQ is bearish. I have an alert set at these highs because, well, actually, let me do it up here. Yeah, because these highs, if they get swept, we can probably go lower. So yeah. Boom. All right, let's go back to gold. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna pause the video here. See if we can get a retracement up, and I'll be right back. All right, so we are in a trade, right? I'm gonna put we just had a fat ass candle. Hold on. Just had a fat ass candle pushing up to the upside. So I put my stop loss above these highs a little bit. And yeah, as you can see, boom, we're above the 50% mark. We should go bearish. We should go bearish. Will we go bearish? I'll never know. But we should. And our take profit ultimately is these 4-hour lows to the downside right here. So yeah, guys. This is the reality of trading. You never know anything. You only can react to what the market is giving you, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. We will see how this trade wants to play out. Again, we have our stop loss above these highs right here on the 1 minute time frame, and our ultimate take profit is down here. But if we can get to this level and displace out of this level on the 1 minute time frame, I'll probably hold the trade for longer. But if I see some like hesitation happen at this level right here, when we get to it, then I'll probably close out the trade. But yeah, once again, guys, bearish on the higher time frames. I seen a 50% mark on the I put a Fibonacci sequence at the high here, the low here. This candlestick came above the 50% mark. I don't even fucking use Fibonacci, but I needed a reason to go short. So that was it. And as you can see, we are capitulating to the downside right now. One mini contract, so we're not really up $20. But yeah, so we'll see how the trade wants to play out. I don't know if I want to. I'll probably pause the video here and then come back when I have an update, because I don't want to keep you guys waiting. But yeah, so we should be going to the downside rather quickly. And once again, guys, it is currently, I started the recording at 10:59. It is now 11:08. What the fuck is going on my phone? 11:08, as you can see. So yeah, I'll pause the video here and I'll come back to you guys with an update. Once you put the Jewish flag and the magnet down, I realize, guys, I'm about to add this to my strategy. This is another confluence right here. We have to bring the magnet and we have to bring Netanyahu down here, because look at this. We were down. We were up. We are up. What is it, like $70? But it's okay. Listen. It is okay, because these are these are the habits that build you as a trader. You want to be able to risk more and be able to sit through your trades and everything, and make sure that, your patience is there. What am I in sells, right? So this is a buy limit. Okay, boom. Put a buy limit right there. Oh my gosh, Netanyahu. In Netanyahu we trust. Come on. Come down here. Come down here. Come get it. You know you want it. Look. It's a Jew. Yes. Come on. All right, let me stop. But yeah, guys. So it looks like we're about to hit TP, and I'm about to bring my shit to break even, because I'm not giving the markets back any sort of profit whatsoever. They can kiss my ass. But yeah, guys. So I want to hear that ding. Where's that ding? Where's that thing that we all love? There it is. So we won today. Look at that. And I traded with you guys live. Look, $83 on the fucking, excuse my language, on the evaluation. Now it's a 25K. Like, Joshua, why are you doing 25K instead of 50K? Because it takes less time to pass. You only need a $1,200 profit in order to win. So yeah, as you guys can see, we got a W today. Might take another trade, who knows? But solid setup. Just literally trade market structure, guys. I feel like this is my thing, right? I feel like the way to become a profitable trader, number one, obviously is discipline. Number two is consistency. But number three is making your own strategy. Like I've been doing ICT for like the past 3 years, but then I really didn't understand market structure. So I was wondering why my trades were not really pushing in the right direction. Why I kept losing. And this is the reason why, guys. If you just trade market structure, looking at the higher time frame, you can catch. Look at this move, bro. This is probably gonna be the next leg down. You know what I'm saying? Like, we just pretty much caught the next leg down for, the higher time frame push. And this is why you want to make sure that you're on the higher time frame, because people will be like, okay, look, there's a liquidity sweep down here. It's gonna hit this and reverse. But no, guys, it's gonna keep pushing down, right? So I've been doing ICT for the past 3 years, man, 4 years, man. And honestly, like I said, I didn't really understand market structure, but market structure is literally the only strategy you need. And once you understand market structure, you have to have your own entry model. Like whatever you feel like, whatever you think it makes sense to you, let it make sense to you. All right. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned from this video. Anytime I trade, I'm gonna make sure that I do it live with you guys so you guys can see and I can hold myself accountable. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys have an amazing day. Stay black, stay beautiful, stay profitable.